Looking for an urban commuter e-bike with unmatched long-range capabilities? Introducing the Mihogo One, the epitome of urban commuting innovation, surpassing all other e-bikes worldwide. Thanks to its all-terrain wide tire design, dual large-capacity batteries, and its aerodynamic V-shaped body design, it delivers an incredible 270 kilometers of travel. Mihogo One is crafted from aerospace-grade magnesium alloys, ensuring a tranquil and seamless ride. Its FOC distributed controller, tailored for extended journeys, optimizes power output algorithms, conserving energy while providing vigorous performance, creating a delightful travel experience every time. To enhance long-range performance, we've incorporated dual-arm torque sensors on both left and right pedals. They accurately measure power output from both sides, preventing unnecessary power loss. This innovation results in a 23% increase in battery life compared to a single torque sensor system, and an impressive 105% improvement compared to a speed sensor system, providing you with extended journeys and less frequent recharging. Mihogo One offers diverse modes, pure electric and 5 pedal assist modes, allowing you to seamlessly adapt to your needs, conserve power, and extend their range by an impressive 55%. Our Mihogo One comes equipped with dual batteries and a smart energy-efficient conversion system that ensures optimal power usage, whether it's a leisurely ride or a long commute. Trust in the durability and safety of our Panasonic semi-solid cell lithium-ion battery. With its revolutionary magnesium alloy frame technology, it weighs only 20% of high-carbon steel, significantly boosting battery life. Mihogo redefines the concept of long-range electric two-wheelers, shattering the 270 kilometers limit. But wait, there's even more. The Mihogo One seamlessly adapts to your ever-changing needs. It's the ultimate choice for families on the move. Whether you're embarking on a journey, heading to the store, or making memories with your loved ones, it effortlessly transforms from an e-bike to a cargo e-bike and secure child carrier, ready to handle your groceries, your belongings, or even become a safe haven for your little one. Elevate your travels with unrivaled convenience and adaptability. IP65 waterproof design and automotive-grade rust protection for stress-free riding in all weather conditions, and extending the life of your e-bike. Our electrical wiring employs an integrated waterproof design, significantly reducing the overall circuit wiring length. We utilize oxygen-free copper wire material with an oxygen content of just 0.0015%, boasting a high conductivity rate of up to 99.985%. This effectively boosts range by over 3% while reducing weight. It represents the pinnacle of engineering for long-range technology. Empowered by a long-range polar high-power magnetic motor with a rated power of 750 watts, capable of peaking at 1,000 watts, the Mihogo e-bike delivers unmatched power. With a staggering 85 Newton-meters of torque, it conquers the steepest terrains with ease, redefining boundaries. Stay connected and in command with our state-of-the-art dashboard. The IPS 2.4-inch Smart Easy Read display provides an expansive view of your ride, while the intelligent system keeps you informed about potential issues. With password-protected access and seamless phone unlocking, your Mihogo One remains secure and ready for action. Transitioning from two wheels to a compact companion? No problem. The Mihogo One folds effortlessly and nestles snugly into your car's trunk. Whether you're tackling the rough city streets or venturing down rugged countryside paths, the Mihogo One's adjustable suspension front fork handles it all, ensuring a consistently comfortable ride. Mihogo One, redefine urban long-range commuting. Step into the future of riding.